everyone, today I'm going to tell you about symmetry and reflection. So a line of symmetry means what? A line of symmetry is an imaginary line which can, if we draw it in a shape, which can divide the shape into two equal parts, like this rectangle you can see, and this is the line of symmetry which has divided this rectangle into two equal parts. Now suppose if we cut this one into two equal parts, if we cut one half, if we take it, and in the line of symmetry if we put a, so if we put a mirror in the middle of this line of symmetry, in the line of symmetry we can see the image in the mirror, the other half of the image of this figure you can see in the um, mirror. So this is the you can see the reflection of it, so that is the reflection. So in case of symmetrical figures, okay, symmetrical figures is means which have a line of symmetry, that means you can divide that one into two equal parts. So symmetrical figures, if we put a mirror, you can see if a mirror is kept along the line of symmetry, if we put in the line of symmetry, one half of the reflection you can see in the mirror. So that is the thing of symmetry and reflection. So that is the thing. So as you can see in this case, you can see if this is the half part, if this is the line of symmetry and it is the half part of the shape, the other half will be the, this one is the mirror image, so this is a symmetrical figure. So you can make symmetrical figures from any shape by using a mirror. So if we put a mirror in here, so we will see the other part of this and we can draw that one as a mirror image. So let me show you. So number one, it's they have given that draw lines of symmetry for this shape. So these are four shapes is given and you need to draw the line of symmetry. So line of symmetry you need to draw in such a way that you can divide that shape into two equal parts. Like I have drawn this one in this middle, so you can draw like this also, that way also you can, it will be equal. In case of B also, if we draw like this also it will be equal, if we draw like this also it will be equal. So I have drawn like this, it's your choice which one you can you wanted. So in case of C like this, if I draw like this also it's correct. So in case of D it is like this, you can draw it. Now this is number 2, they have given a place a mirror along the red line, draw the symmetrical figure in your. So this is the symmetrical figure and you need to draw the other half, the mirror image of this um, shape. So how will you draw? So this was the left part, like this is a half, you need to draw like this. So in this other half you can draw it, the same figure, the same shape it will be. So this is homework, I have done two for you, others you can read. Now turning shapes, so it's a important concept. So quarter turn, when you turn this one, suppose this is arrow, when you turn into this it will be different shape. So this is clockwise rotation, it will be called as a clockwise. As you can see, the clockwise means this one clock, you can say this is clockwise, when it moves in this direction, that is clockwise direction. Now in case of this one, you say uh, this one is the quarter turn, when you quarter turn, this one is in clockwise direction they have shown. So when you put a dot and when you move it in a quarter turn, it will be that dotted will come here. But as you can see the shape, there is no changing of any shape. But in case of here, the shape is there is a change in there, there's different shape you are getting, but here you are not getting any different shape, you will get the same shape. Okay, after turning also. So anti-clockwise direction is another thing. When you, if you, this one is clockwise, when if you do this one anti-clockwise, again the shape you will get this one shape in case of here. So both the turn, if you do it, you will get the you will get back the original one if you anti-clockwise this one. So anti-clockwise is this, means clockwise is this, anti-clockwise is this, opposite of clockwise. Clockwise means what? So when uh, your hour clock, when it moves, or you can see the minute clock used to move from here, like from 12, 1, 2, 3, like that, again it come back. If that minute hand, if it would have been moved in the opposite direction, then it would have been called as an and anti-clockwise. Okay, so this is the shape they have given. So few questions I have done. So a number, so they have given that question is given like that. uh, Give this shape a quarter turn and remake them in your notebook. In notebook you need to do this one, you need to do in your copy. In copy you need to do this one. Okay, uh, put a sign ones that look the same after they turn. Make a dot to help if you want. So you need to put a dot and you need to draw it, and you need to show it that which is there is no changing in shape. So let me show you. I have done few questions. So a number I have done, so I have put a dot in here. So when I turn this one in clockwise direction, I get this one. This point will come in this side, but there is no changing of shape. So this one you need to put a tick on it. So next C number I have done. So when I put this one in here, so when I make this one in clockwise direction, it will be straight. You can see the shapes, the changing of shape it is. Now this one, this point will come here when you move this one in this side, right? So like that. So E C number, so there is a changing in here, so you cannot put a right sign in the book. So D number, you can see this one, when you move it like this, you get the same, but does this dot comes, it will come here, but there is no changing of shape. So these are the answers of A, C, D I have done. I think other two you can do. So these are the shapes. I have picked the shapes which while moving off, if you do the quarter turn also, you will get the same shape, and only the point will be different, but you will get the same shape. So this much for today, and thank you for watching.